Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing this Scarecrow look right here that I have on, and it's not the best, but it's okay just because I've never been good at doing this. I've never been good at drawing, nothing like that. So I knew that doing this look was a little bit risky for me, but I had fun doing it, and I don't think you have to be so good at doing this type of makeup to do it and wear it. So if you like this look that I have on, please keep watching. My base makeup is all already done, so if you want to see what I use, it's going to be in the description box. And I think I'm going to go and start with my cheeks first. And I'm going to be using the BH palette for pretty much this whole look. And I'm going to be mixing this orange with this pink. Now that I'm done the cheeks, I might go in a little bit later to blend it a bit more. But I'm going to start on the eyes, and the eyes are going to be very, very simple. Just a little bit of orange in the crease. And I'm going to be taking that orange there and placing it in my crease. I'm just packing it, and then I'm going to blend it. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this darker shade here, just the tiniest amount, because it is a shimmer, and I'm also going to be placing that in the crease. That's pretty much all that we're going to do for the eyes, because we're going to be doing very heavy, thick black eyeliner on the top and bottom. I'm going to start on the nose now, and you just want to take a black eyeliner and go like this. And I just want to say I'm not the best when it comes to like art, so if these lines aren't the best, don't kill me. There, that's pretty much the outline, and you're just gonna want to keep going around it to make the lines more perfect and fill it in just a little bit more. There, so you pretty much want to make it a teardrop shape. And now I'm going to be taking that orange shade in the BH palette, this one, to fill in the inside. I'm just going with my finger to do the bigger areas, and when it comes to the smaller areas, I'm going to take a brush. If you have an orange eyeliner or maybe orange face paint, I feel like that would be more better to do in the center of the nose. But if you don't have that, like I don't, orange eyeshadow works fine. You're just gonna have to build it up a little bit more, or maybe even spritz the brush, which I'm gonna do. And for the cheeks, I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette and go in with this upper shade right here, just a tiny bit, and add it to the cheeks. And I'm going to be taking this shade here and using it for faux freckles around my nose and over here. And if they're looking a little bit harsh, it's okay because I still have setting powder underneath my eyes. So when I wipe the setting powder away, they'll become more lifelike. I'm not going to wipe it off just yet because I still want it under there for when I do the black. And for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using this powder eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics. And I'm pretty much just going to be lining the top of my eye, but thickening it and smudging it out. Now that I have the base, I'm going to start thickening it, darkening it, and smudging it. And I'm going to be taking this E.L.F. blending brush to smudge it out a bit. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to smudge some black underneath there. And I'm going to smudge that out, but I'm going to go off camera to do that, and I'll be back to apply the orange to the lower lash line. And now I'm going to go back into that BH palette and be taking the orange shade and applying it underneath that black underneath my eye. And that's just what the eyes are looking like so far. And I'm gonna go and wipe off all this setting powder underneath my eyes because... And now for the nose, I'm gonna be adding little like stitch marks around the black. And for the lips, I don't own a black eyeliner, so I'm going to be doing, I don't own a black lipstick, so I'm going to be taking eyeliner along the lips. Now that my lips are black, I'm going to be doing a long line and adding the stitches through it. So my my camera died, but I just went ahead a little bit off camera and drew the lines. And they're not exactly even, but it doesn't really matter because it's supposed to be like a scary scarecrow. And I'm just taking black eyeshadow to do this. And like I said in the beginning, I'm not very good at art and stuff like that. But this just is like to show, like, if you aren't either, like, this is just something really simple that you can do. I'm just going to reapply some of those freckles. And now I'm going to go in with some mascara. And I'm taking the Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. And I'm not going to apply any mascara to this look because, fake eyelashes, because I kind of like how it looks. I did get a little bit of mascara up there, but I can just take that off. I'm going to go off camera, let my hair down. I'm going to put a different shirt. And I might add a little bit more mascara depending on how I feel once this mascara dries. So while I was off camera, I just added a little bit more of that Too Faced mascara. And I think that this look is really easy to do, especially if you're not as artistic like I'm not. But if you are artistic, you're going to be able to do this look way better than I was. But I think it was super fun to do for Halloween. I love Halloween, like I said in my other videos. So if you like this look, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.